Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Sonic versus Knuckles versus Metal Sonic, okay? This one is fan requested, so if you like this, stick around for the whole video. I use a kind of a new method here. I'm going to be drawing on larger paper. So anyways, let's get started on this lesson. If you're a huge Sonic fan, stay to the very end and let's jump in. Let's get into the drawing here. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna make a curve line here down for Knuckles' head, top of the head, down right here, and then curve right here for the furrowing of the brow, pulling up for the top of the eye, back, right there. Gonna go right here, curve down, curve for the top of the mouth, out, curve around the corner, out over here, down for the tip of the nose. Curve, line, line. Then over here, curve for the front here. Okay. Angle line for kind of the angry, he's got that angry look. Now I'm gonna go over here and then curve for the eye right there. Line over here, fill it in. Go here from the eye and I'm going to curve a line down into the dreadlock there, curve up, pull a line down here, then I'm going to pull a line up, and then go over here this side, curve down, pull a line up, right there. Right on. It's like something underneath the paper here. I can't feel it. All right. Gonna draw his line, his arm out, and his arm out over here. Curve down, down right here. Line over here, in. Right here for kind of his spike. Line over here for the end of the glove. Line up for a spike over there. Curve line over here for kind of that closed fist. All right. Gonna pull a line right here for the body. Line right here for the body. Out, kind of a zigzag for the tail. Down, up, in. Out, out. Down, right here for the leg. Down for the leg. Line across. Down, down. Line over here for kind of the foot, down over here, and it's gonna he's gonna have like this boot, kind of like a boot thing, even though they're just it's just like a shoe. But let's go over here, line across. Line down here for the leg. Line down here for the leg. Out over here for the sock here, down, right here to the other shoe, right on, line across. Let's have his other arm over here in the back coming out. Curve up, curve up, curve line, out, out, curve, out, down, in, out, down. And right here for the thumb. And a line. I'm gonna go over here, put a stripe on the shoes. Like so. So now you have Knuckles jumping up in the air like that. Let's go over here to Mecha Sonic. Let's go right here for a claw. Over here, another claw. And over here for the claw of the thumb. Line, line. Let's go over here to the front of the face. Curve. Curve down here into the kind of angry furrow of Mecha Sonic's face. Up. Down. Pull down here. One across. Up. Right there. Over here. Curve line. Curve line over here. For his eyes. Let's put a dot in the center. Dot in the center. It's really focused, right? It's all right. I love Mecha Sonic. If you like this, hit the like button right here for pointed nose, curve, line. Over here, line around the corner here, curve, line up here for the back of the head. Let's go over here for the front, out, down, over here, out, down. Straight line across, curve, down over here, line over here, down, line over here, down, curve across. Let's go over here, line for the back of the head here, get this big old spike, and then I'm gonna pull down. Line over here, line over here for the other spike. I'm just gonna give it a little layer. Circle here, he's got like a bolt in his face. You could drop maybe like a line across. Oopsie daisy. Alright. Gonna go over here, line out for an arm, line out over here. Curve, curve. Line out of here, line out here. Line over here, down. Curve. Line over here. Curve. Circle here as well on his chest. And he has like this engine kind of on his, like his turbine on his chest. Like so. Okay, gonna go over here, ball joint to the hip, line for the leg, line across, down, up, circle, circle, out over here, down, up, circle, curve underneath, line out, circle, circle, down, down, curve, another circle right here for kind of a circle on the side of his foot, line over here for the foot as well. Looks like a dinner roll to me anyway. Line across the bottom. Line over here. Let's draw a curved line over here for the claws of the hand. So there's always gonna be one over here for the ooh, let's draw another claw over here. There's always 3 fingers and then one kind of for the thumb. All right, now we got to go over here. We have to draw like Sonic over here behind him. So Sonic's gonna be, or Sonic up here actually. Sonic is gonna be, I think he's gonna be on this side here. They're all gonna be kind of fighting each other. So he'll be in the back over here. I'm gonna draw a curved line. Line right here. Triangle for his ear. Curve down. Curve down. Gonna go over here and gonna pull downward for the brow. Down over here. Up. Down. Curve. Line over here, down. Gravestone shape for the eye. Gravestone shape for the eye over here. Out. Down over here. Curve. Line out here for the nose, down, in. Draw like a highlight at the end there, and then fill in the rest of the circle there. Rest of the circle, rest of the nose. Line over here for kind of the curved mouth. Line here. And then line across for the teeth. Let's have some teeth there. Curve for the top of the head. Circle, dot. Circle, dot. Right on. I'm gonna go over here, curve, line over here. He's gonna have his hand up, and you're gonna see the cuff of his hand over here, and he's gonna have like a fist, right? Like he's ready to punch, but it's gonna be hidden behind some of it behind Knuckles' head there. Line over here. And then you're probably gonna see the rest of his body over here. You can see a leg sticking out. And then a line over here, kind of just trying to find where his foot would be. And then you would see like some of his foot hidden behind there. And maybe draw like a thin line right here for the details for a Mecha Sonic. Maybe a couple lines here, like so. Line right here, just kind of drawing in these small, oh snap, I forgot his ear. Curved line right there. Line over here for the inside. And there you go.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.